In this video, I'll show you how to easily add any currency symbol to your iPhone. Be sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's dive in. First, open any app where you can use the keyboard, such as Message or Notes. Once you're in the app, start typing the text of your message or note. Now that you are ready to insert a currency symbol, tap the 1, 2, 3 button to move on to numbers and symbols. The most common currency symbols, such as the dollar sign, euro or pound sterling, can be found right on the keyboard. It depends on the region in your iPhone settings. I have the dollar sign displayed. If you're looking for other currency symbols like euro or pound sterling, you need to press the $K, as in my case, and you'll get a list of currencies. By moving your finger left or right, you can select the one you want, and then just release your finger. If you need a currency symbol that isn't on your keyboard, you can always copy and paste it from a website or from a Notes app where you already typed it. That's it. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips.